Welcome to this video tutorial. In my last video tutorial, I introduced the slab strip property dialog box to you, and I explained this option when my cursor is hovering on at start and at end option. The first is the slab option, the second is the bob option, while the third is cantilever. Likewise, at the end, the slab option, the beam option, the bob option, and the cantilever. If I'm drawing a line strip from an edge beam to an edge beam, I'll use the bob. If I'm drawing a line strip from an internal beam, say from this beam to from an internal beam to another internal beam, I'll use the slab option. Note if you click on the slab option at start, this field comes out, and also if you click on the slab option at end, also this field comes out. I will show you how you specify this value soon. So if I'm drawing from a cantilever, slab, from a cantilever slab, at start, I will click, I'll use this cantilever option. If at the end point is also a cantilever, I'll also use a cantilever option. I want to draw a line, horizontal line from the edge of this beam at the line 1 to the edge of the beam at the line C. So I'm going to use the bob option. So, and I'll draw a line, click on the point before the grid, and hold down the control key and stretch the line out just after the line C and release your mouse. So the strip line has been drawn and is designated S1. And when it is drawn, Orion provides structural detail for your for the slab in that direction. You can see the reinforcement. It provides bottom reinforcement and top reinforcement for us for the span and supports of the slab all through. I'll click the slab strip button again. I want to also draw lines. You can see the reinforcement was only provided for this panel with 5 by 7.2 area. What I want to draw is I also want to draw a line strip from the edge of this beam to the edge of this beam. So I'll use my bob option too. So I've drawn that now. Line strips are only drawn where there are slabs. Remember I told you that there is no slab in this region, so you don't need to draw a strip from the edge of this beam to the edge of this beam. Note if you draw a strip from the edge of this beam to the edge of this beam, it will not be drawn because there is no slab in this region. Also, if you draw a line strip from this point to this point, you will not see any reinforcement, or the line strip will not be drawn because we don't have slab in that region. So I'll specify the slab strip in the X direction. In the Y direction, that is the orthogonal direction, I will check this button YY, and I will draw my line strip from the edge of this beam at the line A to the edge of the beam at the line C. So because I'm drawing from edge of beam to edge of beam, I'll use the bob option. They are currently selected. So now I'm drawing from the edge of beam at the line A to the edge of slab. There is no beam there, meaning that this slab here is cantilever. So I'm going this option here is at end. The option I'm going to choose is going to be the cantilever option. So I'll click on the point, my start point, using the bob option, and at the end point is a cantilever slab. I'm using the cantilever option. So you can see it has been detailed. You can see the top reinforcement for the cantilever extends into the adjoining slab. So you can see Orion is detailing the slab for me as a cantilever because I chose the right option. I'll do the same thing for others, same arrangement, bob and cantilever, because edge of beam to cantilever slab. I'll do the same thing for here. I'll do the same thing for this. I will also do the same thing. Now I'm drawing from edge of beam to edge of beam here. So it will be bob option. So I'm going to draw my line strip now. Also, you will notice there is one more slab I've not yet drawn. So I want to draw a strip. I want to draw a line strip from the beginning of this beam, an internal beam, to the edge of the slab. So it's an internal beam. So I'm going to use the slab option because it's an internal beam. At my start point, at my end point, I'm going to use a cantilever option because it's a cantilever slab. So Because I use slab option as start, this field comes up. So they are telling me to specify my B start value. The B start value, I will show it is. Let me click the L button so that you see what it means. B slab dimension. The B slab dimension written somewhere here. They say slab option at start or at end if there is another slab at the respective end of the strip. When this option is checked, a new field will appear below the option button as B slab at start and B slab at end. Enter the dimension of the adjacent slab along the strip in the relative field. So I will close this now. So this slab, the adjacent slab is this slab, and the width of the slab is 7.2 meters. You can see this in the dimension is 7.2 meters. So I've already set my options to slab and cantilever option. You also need to specify the dimension. So the dimension of the adjoining slab 7,200. So now I've specified it. I will draw my start point from internal beam to cantilever slab. So you see it has been drawn now. So this is I've drawn all my strip for I've drawn all my strip for this plan view drawing, this first floor plan view. I will close the slab strip property dialog box now. So in my next video tutorial, I'll show you how to carry out slab reinforcement design, and also how to prepare your drawing for detailing to export to AutoCAD. Thank you for watching the video.